Today we're in Princetown. I'm with Regular today. Starting from Princetown, we're going to go to the cafe first and then do the Princetown loop anti-clockwise. The Princetown route today anti-clockwise. So Princetown to Burrator down the railway track, and then Burrator up through Sheepstor and all the way across to the top, but back to Princetown. Another reason for today's ride is Regular wants to see the bluebells, which is in an area on the way down on the old railway track, and hopefully they'll be out. Well, it's a lovely day again on planet Earth. Cruising at 15 miles an hour at the moment, and I can't feel any breeze at all, so obviously the wind is with me. Well, that's the quickest I've been down that bit. Amazing. Well, I thoroughly enjoyed that first section. Now it's a bit bumpy along here now. We're going right round the tour, round the far end and back. We'll probably be heading back in towards the wind at some point. As we go around, we turn around, almost facing the way we're going at the moment, and then back down into Burrator, but I can feel the wind blowing behind me. That's why I came down there so quickly. I can just see Regular in the distance. I'm not sure if you can pick that up on the camera. I make the best of it on the flat and downhill so I can leave her behind, because she has the assist, and then she always leaves me on the way up on every climb we tackle. This is weird. I'm on a -1% gradient and I'm not even pedaling, so it really feels quite weird because I can't feel any wind at all, any breeze, but I'm obviously travelling at the same speed as the wind is blowing me along. It's great. It's just that all the time. It's unusual to see a vehicle along here. That's it, isn't it?
Would be, yeah.
That is.
Yeah, yeah.
And they're not there hardly.
No.
What a shame.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a pity.
Yeah. They're coming out now. It will still take some days.
We'll have to come back again.
Perhaps, yeah.
Along that section, before the wind was against us, I wasn't doing any pedalling at all.
Yeah, yeah.
For quite a long way.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Oh, it's a shame, Regular.
Yeah.
They'll be back. Maybe a couple of weeks, I guess, a week or so. I don't know.
Yeah, a week or 2 weeks. Normally, when they are out, they hold on for a few
that's true.
weeks or days.
We'll be back. So the bluebells we wanted to see, it's a lot colder up here, so they're not out, whereas back at home they're out in full force. I'm not sure what to do when we get to the top, whether we go up to the tour or whether we cut across and just go straight up. Right, we're heading down to Burrator now. We have to cross one road Make sure nothing's coming. On the left is Burrator, the reservoir. Look at all the tors. I think that one straight ahead is Sheepstor. So you've got the village or the hamlet of Sheepstor plus the tor called Sheepstor. It'll be harder work going up the other side against the wind. Whose stupid idea was this? Crazy Englishman.
The lake. Oh. Yeah. Thank you. So,
You having ice cream?
really?
Yeah.
I don't think so. But you have one.
Well, I have to really.
Yeah, of course.
It's part of the tradition. Can I have a 99 flake? Well, ice cream and a flake, please. Not just a flake.
I'll give you a flake.
Great, thank you very much. Thank you.
And they never actually let you come into a windfall or catch up with the payment.
When we came here last September, it didn't have a lot of water in it.
Oh, was that for the, were you talking about the Tour de Moor?
Yes.
Right, I can't
Or
remember,
was
yeah.
it? Yeah, we were twice.
Yeah.
Here twice.
Well, I'm climbing up from the scout hut at the bottom, up this trail. It's about 8 to 10% gradient, but I'm just pedalling into a headwind all the time. Today is really draining me. This wind is just relentless. It's just that you get into a rhythm for a few seconds and then the wind hits you again, and it's like going 4 pedals forward and 3 back. So it's very slow progress. I've never come up here in first gear. I'm second now, but I was in first gear all the way up as far as this. I just stopped then just to turn the camera on. But I feel absolutely drained. I feel like I've been in the saddle for about 4 hours. I've only been pedalling actual cycling time for just over 1 hour. It's rubbish really, but the wind is so hard to pedal into.
Very good.
Okay. Bloody hell.
Isn't it?
I was in first gear such a long way. My heart rate was 150 constantly,
Okay.
and I just kept around that. I didn't push it too much. But we're almost heading smack bang straight into the wind now. The compass is showing east, and that's where the wind is coming from. Absolutely wonderful. Trying to see where that. Whoops, steady.
Oh God.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Was the ground further away than you thought?
Yeah. It went down here.
Oh yeah. Ah, gee, hell. So imagine people that do these long endurance rides. It's like Amy and the girl I follow and her husband are going to go around the world.
Yeah.
In all winds, weathers, dark, cold.
Yeah.
Oh, I couldn't do that. Not for me.
I think it's the limit.
This is,
That's
yeah.
it.
The other trail from Ditsworthy Warren, the farmhouse,
Yeah.
goes right the way across here, and you end up on that tour there,
Oh yeah.
or the other side, I can't remember, but right the way across,
Yeah.
and then you come across over to here,
Okay.
pick this path up and just come up here. It's nice. And there are the stones, there are loads of stones in a straight line over there. I forget what they're called, there's a name for them. They're quite famous. Hello. Widowmaker. That was the Widowmaker on our left at that crossroads.
Have you imagined that the wind would be so strong?
No, I thought it would have eased off a bit today, but it bloody hasn't. But never mind. Last section, at last. It's been a long ride. Bit of air off here, yes! And off here. Go through. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Something like that. That should just slam shut. Unless your bike's in the way, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's it, that's the end of our ride. 15 miles. Riding for 1 hour 40, average speed 9, and that's it.